recognize you as a terrorist and take you deep into the Middle East. If your acting is successful, you'll be able to get us all the information we need to stop this whole thing from happening. Of course, if you're not interested, there's the door.
All right, thanks.
Gary, hey, hold on a second. Don't you understand? Every country in the world is in danger.
How is it my responsibility to do something?
Because like it or not, you're the one with the power to do something.
I can't fight terrorists. I don't know anything about guns or jets.
That doesn't matter. If you want to help people, all that matters, Gary, is what you have here. Just think about it, okay? Here, take this. Baxter will take you wherever you want to go. Just remember, your freedom is at stake, too.
What do you think Spotswood sees in him?
I don't know, but I think I see it, too.
Hey, Baxter. I want to take a detour. What would you do if you were asked to give up your dreams for freedom? What would you do if asked to make the ultimate sacrifice? Would you think about all them people who gave up everything they had? Would you think about all them war vets, and would you start to feel bad? Freedom isn't free. It costs folks like you and me. And if we don't all chip in, we'll never pay that bill. Freedom isn't free. No, there's a hefty fucking fee. And if you don't throw in your $1.05, who will? Ooh, $1.05. Freedom costs $1.05.
Our dear leader, Kim Jong-il, says the weapons of mass destruction you requested are ready for you to take.
I am still in the process of recruiting and training new terrorists for the attack. We take weapons later.
He asked what part of the deal you did not understand. He says perhaps his translator did not make it clear to you. He says he should fire his translator? Do you have any idea how fucking busy I am? I cannot believe that I actually have a Chechen standing here telling me when he's gonna take a delivery. Hello?
Perhaps we can be ready sooner.
Yes, perhaps you can. Now take your weapons of mass destruction and get the fuck out of here!